Hey guys, welcome back to another sorry guys. Sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video, and today we'll be unboxing this Robbie toy that I got at Target with my own money. Robbie action figure. But I still didn't see the alphas yet though. But we did see these two. I really wanted to get the doggy, but it wasn't there. Lecter channel also got like a tigery, but I think he'll like unbox it in his video. Anyway, I think I'll just unbox this right now. Alright, it's the time to unbox it. Okay guys, so we got the Robbie right here. It also comes with a trap right here, as you can see, a trap. And also here is the DLC card, but I'm not gonna scratch it. And also I already have 3 of them, so this is my 3rd one. And now it's time to look a closer look at the Robbie and trap. Alright, so we here have the Robbie action figure. It even has a saw included with the hand and the legs, which is basically like a normal Roblox figure. Next, we got the trap right here. It could bend outside, but it kind of looks like this. And then when you trap someone, you just do this, and yeah. But for now, I have 3 Piggy action figures: Clowny, Piggy, and Robbie. I also have 3 exclusive DLC codes, but I won't like scratch that off right now, or like I may do a video about it. But if I do make a video about it, and then the first person who has come to my video has Piggy Hunt and redeems the code quick, then they can get it. And this is not for Roblox, okay? This is for only Piggy Hunt only. Okay? So I hope you enjoy your video. I hope you enjoy this video, and please subscribe for more. Bye.